Nagpahilot ako kay auntie. Yeah, this auntie is very good. Birthday treat for myself.
Happy.
Yeah, happy birthday, auntie, right?
Maaari amo. You pay to eat.
Yeah lah, my boss give me money, auntie.
Ha?
Yeah lah, that's why I treat myself the.
Oh.
Oh, very nice, auntie. She's very good. Auntie is very good. Ang sarap niya maghilot. Sarap.
Okay.
Okay, auntie.
Nice.
Thank you very much.
Happy, ah?
Yeah lah, happy birthday. Thank you. Ang sarap maghilot ni auntie. Very nice. Come here, guys, and do some massage.